I am on. Where's Sullivan? Sullivan, if you are watching this in the future, I'm shocked to see that you're not here yet. All right. I'm going to wait for some people to get in. GameStop. I'll take it. That was a wild ride the last couple days. Can't lie, not gonna lie. But here we are, right back to where we were pretty much at the beginning of the week. A little bit higher actually. And volume, I think volume got off to a good start today. I think. Let me see. Volume, oh wow, yeah, volume's already at 14 million. For reference, last Friday, volume for the whole day was at 9 million. So we got some volume going on right now. That is a good indicator that we're going to be seeing some upward movement today. Because if you have been paying attention to volume at all, you know that on low volume days, the price just kind of tends to trickle down. But on high volume days, it moves up pretty quickly. So here we are. 14 million. That's fantastic. And volume is updating. What is up, Florino? What a ride GameStop is. So what else? Let's see. Bitcoin's bouncing back. This weekend's going to be a huge weekend for Bitcoin. And maybe I shouldn't hype it up so much, but all these options expiring, that's going to have a big effect. So, Nevin, yeah, volume is amazing. Watching from a distance, but good. Yeah, I know you're not in it right now, Florino. So, better to stay away, honestly. Let's see, went to my local GameStop last night and they didn't even have a single Xbox controller in stock. That's interesting. I wonder why. You know, is that increased business or just bad management? I hope it's increased business. Let's see, Poodle. I'm going to go to coin360.com and see how we're doing. Julian, what's up? Oh no. I sold expecting a sub 100 dip and now I have no idea what to do. Yeah. Just got to hold for the most part, but I feel you on that. I thought it was going under 100. Oh. Interesting. So the employees there are very concerned with Ryan Cohen aboard. They think their retail jobs are going away. That was their mood. You know, I think those concerns are valid. I don't think Ryan Cohen gives a rip about the stores, honestly. I mean, they can do what am I thinking? You know, they can do what they want to fix up the stores, but I think Ryan Cohen knows that like the internet is what really matters for the future of GameStop. So Nick, the Poodle miner, it's the ETH fee was 25%. You can go to Whitebit if you want, Nick. It has been listed on Whitebit for about 24 hours now. But whatever, yeah. Have a limit buy of 5 more orders at 200, hoping to strike hits. That's true, yeah, Nevin. You know, Amazon has these lockers set up where people order online and, you know, they pick up at lockers. It's like, why not use that infrastructure for something? So, let's see. They did overhaul and make the stores nicer, but I think they'll use them. We're on the same page, Nevin, as a local post office. Yep. Yeah, I mean, honestly, Nick, whatever. There's safer options out there. This is a gamble. So, I mean, I'm not saying... I think that there's going to be phenomenal returns all around, and so will Poodle shoot up 100x? We'll see. There are things I like about it, and maybe I'll have to hold it for the long run, and I don't mind that. Good morning, Nick G. All right, gotta clarify here. All right, there's Nick and there's Nick G. So when I just say Nick, I will only be talking to Nick. When I say Nick G, obviously that's what the gas fees. Yeah, the gas fees. Yep. Julian, where do you feel it could drop to? Are we talking about GameStop, Julian? Good morning, Christopher. There was an article. This is the most hilarious article. I honestly, this is the most either. All right, GameStop. I don't know. Yeah, where is it going to fall to? I could see it dropping to 200. This is the most out of touch article. I don't know if it's out of touch or if it's just like intentionally being a jerk. Whatever you want to call it. This is so ridiculous. Now most of GameStop's board members are bailing on the company. 8 of the 13 directors are retiring. This is so ridiculous. Yeah, who are these 8 of the 13? They're bailing because they're scared of the future of GameStop, or they don't like the fundamentals or whatever else. That's such an obnoxious clickbaity article. Are GameStop's activists and investors? All right, I don't even want to read this. I am reading it, but not out loud. Nevin, you have me so bullish on Bitcoin. I'm so hyped. I was so worried after the squeeze I would never want to play stonks again. Crypto is my next venture, feeding the beast every week. My man. Yes. Man. I don't even know what to say. It's like, it's so clear to me that crypto is the future and that there's no stopping it. So, yeah, we'll have fun with GameStop. But all my gains from GameStop, that day, whenever that day comes that I sell some of my shares, it's like, that's going to crypto. So, and Bitcoin is by far the safest of those bets, and Bitcoin is obviously still risky. I don't want to say risky, but whatever. I buy on Coinbase every week and then drop to BlockFi. Yeah, I remember you said that, Nick G. House Heisenberg, what's up? Crossing my fingers for a great GME day. It's my birthday. Happy birthday. But I got nothing going, so why not stare at GME ticker all day? I want to see this go up. Let's do it. Oh, Mr. Virtudes. Mr. Virtudes. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. I was just wondering about you, Umberto. I hadn't seen you in a while, but good to see you. So BlockFi finally allows me to ACH into directly. Okay. All right. I do want to share with you, I saw on our GME, I saw my favorite due diligence that probably I've ever seen. And I might be serious about that. And it's this one. Oh, load. Please load. All right. Why GME went up today and how Citadel may crash the entire market by naked shorting GME through ETFs. And so I read on yesterday's stream a strategy. Yeah, Nevin. I wondered, Nevin, if you had seen this. That's hilarious. Yeah. So I shared on yesterday's stream this Twitter thread that I read that was very good about Citadel's efforts to short GME. At first, it was just straight up shorting of the stock, and then it was shorting of the ETF XRT, And now, I mean, they're expanding, and I think it's because they're running out of bullets. Like, I am more confident in GameStop right now than after understanding their strategies going from small to big. Shorting the Russell 2000 is what they're doing now, and that's catching up to them. And so this covers that. I would recommend looking it up. And honestly, the thing that I loved most about it is that his references at the end. All right, let me read the conclusion, but then I'll talk about this, and I'll talk about the references, because the references were fantastic. I mean, like, they were. All right, finding from Evans' paper on ETF short interest and failures to deliver, naked short selling, or operational shorting. If higher levels of FTD spill over from one ETF to another within the same AP or across different APs with overlap into their ETF market making activities, operational shorting could increase financial instability. So he introduces this concept of operational shorting. I'm still trying to get a grasp of it, so I'm not going to try to define it right now, but I'm going to do a lot of research this weekend. When we examine the impact of FTDs across different ETFs, we find evidence consistent with this contagion-like effect. Moreover, we also find that APs that are closer to their maximum regulatory leverage limit are more likely to operationally short. That's huge right there. This is talking about Citadel. APs that are closer to their maximum regulatory leverage limit are more likely to operationally short. These results suggest ETF trading relies on an interconnected network of liquidity providers, which at all times pursue positively correlated trading strategies that can be detrimental to the overall market. And so Citadel right now, in shorting the Russell 2000, in shorting all these ETFs, they are playing a dangerous game that could have an amazing effect for GameStop, but could be dangerous for the whole market. And I do want to point out these links here. So there is a YouTube video that it's good to check out. But then there's this 92-page document that I've started reading. I haven't finished it yet. Obviously, I mean, 92 pages, and I have 5 kids. Good luck to me. But this is from Wharton. Oh no, sorry, not this one. This is from people from University of Virginia and Villanova. This one's from Wharton. These are 2 resources that he provides. If you really want to nerd out about it, go for it. If not, I'm going to do my best to summarize this research at some point next week, early next week. So I'll get back to the chat in a second. Anyway, I was really impressed by this. Let's see. Umberto been busy at work. That was great. Up to 31.2k upvotes now. The ETFs are basically the entire Russell 2000. Yep. EMC, what's up? Good to see you. Finally transferred the rest of my GME out of Robinhood to SoFi. Now I'm reading that SoFi loans my shares out too. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Here we go. I'm assuming most of you on this chat who are watching right now are subscribers, maybe all of you. But if you haven't yet, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. So, all right, I'm going to hit refresh. GameStop and crypto. We're going to see a bounce in Bitcoin. I'm very excited about it. And as a result, the rest of the market. Nothing crazy going on here. Theta, check out Theta. I've heard some good things about them. The little bit of research I've done, I'm pretty stoked. I don't have any Theta, but man, there's some convincing things that I've read. So, sorry, I check Poodle pretty annoyingly every day. So I'm going to exit this Motley Fool article. It was a foolish article. Most of GameStop's board members are bailing. They're bailing on the company. No, they're getting kicked out of the company. So I'll exit this again. You know, I will be trying to read as much of this as possible throughout the weekend. So check that out. Those are all in that awesome DD that was on the RGME subreddit. I have not upvoted this guy. Well, there you go. North Balance. That's an easy name to remember. North Balance. Christopher, seeing that article you put up in today's numbers on GME. Yes, exactly. Yeah, exactly. I remember that. Yes. Thanks for the reminder, Christopher. That comment was really good. And yeah, they're throwing out some clickbait. I don't remember exactly. I mean, you said something about like they're just doing it out of spite or something like that. So there's a gamma ramp speed seed planted per Warden Elite's daily charting. You know, yeah, I'm tempted to buy some cheap options right now, options that expire today. I might do that. Just throw like $100. And listen, don't because I'm saying that. Don't you do it yourself. I'm still remembering SKT. All right, I'm just gonna look up user Warden Elite because some of you, we talked on this stream about SKT, and I know more than a couple of you bought that and lost a couple $100. Do your thing, but I might be willing. I would be willing to. Did I spell his name wrong? Whatever. I'm willing to throw $100 at this on the possibility that oh, I see what I did. Typing and trying to talk at the same time. On a 1 in 10 chance that this thing would skyrocket, I'd be willing to put money towards it. Nick G, yeah. I need 5 more bananas. I linked it. Where did you link it, Nevin? Oh, I just saw it. Never mind. All right, here we go. The media, bought by Hedges, want us to lose faith in GME and jump ship. They hate the idea of the everyday person getting riches off the back of the elite. Yeah, yep. Okay, let's see. Someone has planted the seeds for a gamma ramp here. What am I looking at? Oh, yeah. I see like the jump up. Yep. All right. Not financial advice. Okay, send me back. There are so many calls out of the money over 300. Yeah. So I bought some really high out of the money calls last week for the quadruple witching day, but I spent like $5 a call, and I only bought a few. What did I buy? I think I bought 5. Now that I think about it, so I threw $25 at it just in case. But that would have been crazy stuff right there. All right. The battle for 210 is the main focus right now. High call volume at 210. I mean, all right, today is a high volume day, and it seems to me, given the price activity here, it's staying around the same price within the 200 to 210 range, and yet there are wild swings within that range. It seems like there's a war going on. That would be my guess. But what do I know? So let's win the war. Don't mind me as I check on my poodle. Hedges wanted under 200 from everything I've read. I want a dip before the moon. Yeah. So at the end of the day, it will likely be wild swings like last Friday. All right, yeah, this is the dip. Here we go. Oh, Warden Elite. Is this? Oh, no, never mind. Oh, my goodness. Come on. Sorry, my phone's moving slowly here. Folks, this is how you lose money in the stonk market. Wow. Perhaps. All right, let me see. Getting back on the live stream chat. Gme To The Moon, Burrito. Julian needs a dip. Man, we're so confident, right? Noxy, hey. What's up? We're so confident in the price that it's like we want it to go down. Well, we have been strengthened, unaffected, crossing fingers, sending out prayers. Now you got me looking at options again. Nevin, yeah. 230. Oh, there we go. I don't know about that. That seemed a little aggressive there. Makes me think that there's some shenanigans happening right now. All right, you know what? I'm going to buy a couple shares. 1 second. Just stay below 200, please, while I buy my shares. Come on, Weeble. All right, quick trade. All right, I am in for 2 more shares. I'm just going to take a look at the options real quick, just to see what the 300, maybe not 300. I'm willing to get in. I want to put less than $100 towards something, and they're still very expensive. I mean, $2.55 is $1.42. 272.5 I could get for 95. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna wait until like 1 o'clock or something. Maybe get one for like, I don't know, 20 bucks. Ha, don't give the hedgies more info. Yeah, my bad. Just so everyone knows, you can call your brokers and tell them not to lend your shares. Yep. Have a call into SoFi to remove this option. Oh, it's all good, Nevin. I like reading the comments. That's a slideshow. All right, here's your dip. Those of you who are crossing your fingers and praying for a dip, here you go. This is definitely a battle. EMC, need to educate myself on options. Yes and no. They can be dangerous, but like that's how on Wall Street bets, that's how people make money. You see all those big gains, but you also see all those big losses. That is options. So it is a dangerous game to play. I prefer leaps. I prefer long-term ones, not the, there are options that expire today. It's like, it's straight up gambling. 8 more bananas to reach my target. Nice. All right, Nevin. Okay, let's see. You should do a video about options versus leaps. Man, you know, I sat down and tried to make a video, and I tried to just like, I didn't have a script or anything. I tried to just like speak. You know, when I make my videos every day, I'm just like, I don't have any kind of script or anything. I'm just reading. I'm not reading. I'm reacting to the, you know, whatever tab I have open, and that works fine. But I sat down and tried to make a video on options trading, and I realized I needed to do a lot more just writing down of a script and going off of that, and I gave up. So maybe I'll try. I will try at some point in the future. Are leaps just options with a longer time frame? Yes. All right. Hope I don't get a copyright. Man, that Kobe. I was never a Kobe fan, but that thing, this clip right here. Oh my goodness, that is just BAMF. Yeah, perfectly sums up what we should all be doing at this dip. I love that clip of Kobe. That's probably my favorite Kobe highlight ever. Let's see. How about rising on our GME? Or let's see if Warden Elite posted anything. All right, for smooth brains, basically when you have a bunch of near ATM calls, and yes, I verified this in Thinkorswim that these were bought, then you basically set up a ramp. As the price moves onto this ramp, it has a high probability of getting launched. Let me look at that ramp again, where the strike prices were. All right, so yeah, 215, 220, 225, 230, 235, 240. That's weird. Maybe that's 242.5, 250. All right. Let's see, the next one, short attack. Yeah, definitely a short attack. Seems like they want MMs to drop some of the shares they hedged, as well as push those 200 strike puts in the money. Out of the money? I think he meant out of the money. What dailies am I looking at? I don't know. I just want to. Yeah, I might not even buy any calls or anything today. I was just looking at, like, if I were to put less than $100 at it, just throw some money in case this thing shoots off. What's the minimum that the minimum strike price that I could get it at? As of right now, I think it was like 270, 2.5 is what I said. So, I don't know. I don't want to just keep doing this every Friday. I'm sure one day it will pay off, but you know, it doesn't, like, all the crazy stuff doesn't have to happen on Friday, and that's when options are the cheapest. So, $287.5 call for 95. Yeah, and as time goes on, the theta decay will happen, and it'll be worth less, unless we get closer to 287. All right, let's see. Rising on RGME. This is not Beastie Boys 1987. Can I get a head count of the people waiting to quit their jobs? Present. Alright, I'm going to do rising. Ha! Finally passed one share. That's funny. I will upvote that one. Domo Capital sings a sea shanty. Alright. Get more excited, Jordan Belfort. K. Anthony, what's up? Good to see you too. Yeah, I woke up a little late. Had to take my daughter to ballet at 10 a.m. Eastern time, so I didn't have enough time to make a video and get it published or whatever before taking her to ballet. So I was like, you know what? Just do a live stream. How about that? I would do live streams all day, every day, if I was able to build my subscriber base that way. There is a point when you get a channel big enough that you'll start attracting an organic audience, but I just don't have that right now. So I have, the reason why I make those videos is to essentially it's better at attracting an organic audience. But hopefully one day, maybe at a certain amount of subscribers, they'll advertise my stream on YouTube or something. Not advertise it, but like they'll post it. So like this guy, never mind. Whenever I go to YouTube, there's this guy who's live all day. So like this guy, all right, Andrew Mo Money. I'm not subscribed to him, and I'm getting his live stream on my front page. This guy, I'm not subscribed to him. I see his live stream on my page, on my front page all the time. And so one day maybe I'll get organic traffic through my live stream. I'm just curious to see if I show up. Oh, hey, there I am. Oh, that was yesterday. So, organic traffic has increased slowly over time. Actually, I'm wondering. Sorry, I'm going to do this rabbit hood. I'm going down this rabbit trail. His channel is so annoying. Much harder to gain repeat viewers when you aren't an echo chamber. I kind of feel like sometimes I am. Oh, no, that's not what I want to do. Yeah, some people actually use the incognito mode for something other than porn. Can you believe it? Yeah, see, I'm not anywhere to be seen when it's incognito mode. Lots of Matt Kors, lots of Bruce Wang. Know nothing about Bruce Wang. Meet Kevin. Who's Bruce, Nevin? Oh, Bruce Wang, maybe? All right, anyway. Let's see. Weston, hey. Good to see you. I don't know why there's so many. Oh, yeah, I saw that. Let's see. Haha, in other words, Bruce wasn't even watching. I knew that you were talking about impossible. At least I think I did, trying to watch Ticker and a stream. Stocks with Bruce, the bagel boomer guy from Canada. I have no idea. I like Uncle Bruce the best because he seems to know what he's talking about. He is a nice guy, genuinely kind soul, but he has become a shill and self-promoter. Man, alright, I have no... Who is this guy? I'm not going to click on his stream because I don't want a copyright infringement. But let's see. Stock markets with Bruce. Seems like a nice guy. I like his pictures at least. I'm going to check him out. Not a ton of subscribers. 105,000. I mean, that's a good amount of subscribers. Yeah, that's him. Uncle Bruce. I am really curious. I like looking at other people's setups just to see how they operate. I'm going to check him out sometime. Anyway, volume 20 million. He is an amazing guy. Wow, he has 10K subs 2 months ago. Wow. That gives me hope. It is an echo chamber of what people want to hear. He seems to know his stuff, though. Not a shill for companies, but he's taking his viewers' money consistently and doesn't shut up. At the beginning, he was educational, but it's just overdone now. Just my thoughts. He was a broker in 1979. Wow. He's smarter than I am. He knows way more than I do. So if Nevin is down with Uncle Bruce, then I have no problem being down with Uncle Bruce too. So I can. So there's these things. I'm still learning the system here. But there are these things called, there's memberships to channels, and I've been thinking a lot, you know, all you guys who I see in the chat, it's like you guys have been here since the beginning. And if there's a way to give away memberships, maybe one day I'll like charge for memberships. But if there's a way to give away memberships, I want to do that with you guys, the OGs. So I'll look into that. I have no idea what a membership would do. Maybe, I mean, I can make videos for members only. I know that. So he's alright. Well, thank you, Nevin. We definitely think on the same wavelength. It's funny. I just when I talked about that DD that I shared earlier today, it's like the first thought that came into my mind was I'm sure Nevin's read this, and there we go. I respectfully disagree with your take on that. He doesn't beg for money like you're implying. People to choose to sign up for his membership and or send super chats voluntarily. Cool. I'm sure when this moons, everybody's coming right back to your channel. I don't think so, honestly, Nevin, because there are a lot of names that I remember that I have not seen, and I really think a lot of people in that first wave, they sold and they don't even want to think about GameStop because they know that they were, you know, wimps, for lack of a better word. Huh. Matt Kors. Anytime I go on Matt Kors' channel, I see he's got to be making a ton of money right now. Because I see like $5 donation, $10 donation. I see that on his channel. I mean, good for him. I'm just like, man, yeah, who are these people throwing money? It's like, put that money in the stock market. Yeah, Weston, yep. And that makes sense to me. Half a dozen or so people who got in late lost 75%. Cool. You ate burritos in a moon. He ate bagels. That's funny. All right, now what? Let's see anything new from Warden Elite. I'm going to be on until about 1, maybe 1. I have to pick up my daughter from ballet today, and at 1 p.m. Eastern time. Sorry for those of you from other countries. I gotta take care of some things. So check him out when you get a chance. Very nice guy. Just think he's past his prime. He was a trader in '79, so I'm curious about this. I wouldn't be surprised if Warden. Oh my goodness. Yeah. He's gotten some support. Good for him. He's got a live stream on YouTube. All right. 200 strike puts keeping the price below 200. I doubt this can hold too long. Good to know. Big resistance at 212 according to Hey It's Pixel. Warden streams Mondays at 9:15. I'm going to click on this and I hope I don't get a copyright. Nope, no. I just want to go to his channel. All right, here we go. Wow, 83,000 views. That's pretty crazy. In 2 videos. That's wild. He's turning this into a business. Good for him. Bought in at 140 and at 250. Major loss porn. Hodl, not selling, not in the cult, just like the stock. Bought more yesterday morning at 125. Listening from day one. Keep it up, man. Cool, man. I'm glad you chatted. You're finally in the chat, Crane Hawk. Yeah, I hope I can keep it up. But glad you're here. Umberto, what? How has he gotten so many viewers or what? That's the power of Reddit, by the way, if that's how you're asking. I've shared, my most recent videos, I've shared them on Reddit, just like in the daily discussion chat or something. And it's definitely been a boost for the channel. So Reddit's just really powerful. And Umberto, if you ever want to do that with any of your videos, you should do it. Still waiting for some good Umberto videos. All right, was listed as Mike Hawkins before. Oh, okay. All right, sweet. It was a fad for many. They're the trend warrior type. Talk big at the beginning, but they live off mommy and daddy paying for their art degree and their blue hair dye. When they realized this was an actual investment and not something they could gain off the backs of others, they jumped ship. So definitely won't be coming back. Yep. Jacob, that's how I found you on day one. Yeah, I was in bed the night before, Jacob, and I thought, hey, I wonder what would happen if I live streamed, and I posted the link to the live stream on Reddit, and that's what happened. People found my live stream. Those are wild days, you know? I mean, got up to like 1,000 people on the stream. Must convince the wife to go out with me. Another thing I like about Uncle Bruce is that he clearly isn't just trying to take advantage of the memes. He's been recommending Gme since late 2020. Wow. All right, checking out the cryptos again. The cryptos. Same old. Hoodle the poodle. Yeah, I got you, Umberto. Senor Mr. Virtudes. Well, definitely a green day for the cryptos. That's good. Oh, Christopher removed a comment. YT channel growth is all about consistency. Seemed like your channel was growing when you were doing almost every day. You know, Crane. I think it was mostly because I was posting those links on Reddit. And when I stopped, my subscriptions were flat. And I don't know. I'm starting to see organic growth now. So it's good. I'm glad to see it, but I really had to put some work into it. Laylo, what's up? NASDAQ. Oh man, NASDAQ. Yeah, it hasn't been fun being invested in NASDAQ stocks. And here we are. Let's see. Tesla is down. NEO is down. AMC is down. AMC's down. Huh. Plug Power. Why is Riot Blockchain down? That's annoying. Man, CCIV. Whew. Appreciate the love, Christopher. Apple, weed stocks, Palantir is even. But hey, you know what? I mean, we're going to talk about subscribers. I've gained 100 subscribers in the last week. If I were to do that every week, I'd be a happy man, you know? So, and if you are a new subscriber and you're listening to this, thank you. If you're not subscribed, why don't you support the cause? The content must flow, yes. Yeah, I'm happy to keep making content. It's very enjoyable. So, all right. I'm going to refresh the rising on RGME. You know, one thing that I thought of yesterday that I do like about RGME over Wall Street Bets is like last night after market close, the front page of Wall Street Bets was littered with gain porn. And it's always nice to see gain porn. But it's like, I'm there for the due diligence. I'm not there for the gain porn. I'm not there for the memes. I mean, I'm kind of there for the memes. I enjoy the memes. But I'm really there for the research. Because it's like, where else am I going to find the research? I'm not going to find it going to CNBC. And And so yesterday I went to RGME and I saw this phenomenal research, not just from that one post that was like the king of all due diligence, best due diligence I've ever seen, but like from other posts as well. And yeah, I'll take it with a grain of salt because it's on this massive circle jerk subreddit, but I'll take that over a page full of gain porn any day. So like this, I don't appreciate this. This is stupid. Effing retarded. Effing underscore retarded. When you become a millionaire, please remember where you came from. Don't be greedy like the hedge funds. Like let's make the world a better place. Whatever. Go away. If we get to 1 million per share, it's my life goal to build affordable housing for those who need it. You do you. Get rid of the stop loss orders. This is funny. DFV tweet, think green. Kobe didn't flinch, neither will we. I think you're reading a little too much into this G money. Gotta take my wife to the chiropractor. Thanks for hopping on, Nevin. Have a good rest of your day, good weekend. See you around. Nothing but love. You don't pay taxes if you don't sell. Has the SEC implied that cybercrime is occurring on the exchanges? Somebody gave a synopsis of the SEC meeting that happened. I think it was yesterday. And I thought it was very interesting. All right, here we go. Lowe's post on the latest SEC filings and was struck by... I'm going to click on... Is that the post? I have been doing some SEC digging on proposed rules changes. Big stuff is in the works. Looks like they are coming in to lay the smackdown on these hedges. Melvin and friends are probably pooping themselves. Oh, you know, all right. I know what I'm going to do. Rensol gave a nice summary of this post, but this is, again, RGME has the better research. Let me go to Rensol's post here. Dennis Kelleher has an AMA. All right, the main takeaways from me in this entire thing are thankfully easy. This will most likely result in a criminal lawsuit, meaning it will be more than just a simple slap on the wrist they normally receive. Confidential informant protection. This means someone is most likely stepping up, and they need to make sure they are protected properly, together with the whistleblower's payment going up recently. It may mean someone has already stepped up, so a potential whistleblower is coming out of the woodwork. To me, this all reads as if someone is about to be pinched. Granted, this could all be a coincidence that these specific things are being discussed now, but the timing is just too perfect for me personally. But isn't it nice that at the same time JPOW has ended the Fed's infinite money glitch for banks? This comes out. Around 500 stocks are setting up for a short squeeze. I did see something about that. I'm not going to take a look at that right now. All right, what's going on, GameStop? You're going to make me buy more shares? Is that what you're going to do, Citadel? Because I will. Don't make me do it. Volume reaching 20 million for the day. We'll need more volume to keep this thing going. Let's see that volume. $21,400,000. Well, very close to going red. We are red for the day. We're green. We're red. Nobody's sweating it, though. Looking for another entry. I am. This is kind of annoying, not gonna lie. This is, alright, Russell 2000. Let's see. Russell Wilson, Russell Westbrook, Russell Crowe. Nope. Russell 2000. Yeah, the GameStop chart definitely looks similar to the Russell 2000 one. Coincidence? Eh. Okay. Still going down. When do I buy? Let me think. I don't know. I mean, that's too aggressive of a drop. Dips just mean more money for us in the end, yeah. I mean, it's another high volume day. I highly doubt that this dip is us selling. Really. I'm going to set a limit order for like 160 Probably won't go. Well, I shouldn't say that. I was going to say it probably won't go down that low, but you never know. So 160. I'm still learning the Webull platform, so this might take me a while. Limit by... Alright, I've got a limit price of 160 set up, and seems like we're moving back up, maybe? Confirm, please. Alright. We'll see. If it goes down to 160, I'll set another limit buy at 140. I wouldn't be surprised if we were kind of at the bottom for today, and if we head back up. But you know me, you know my track record with predicting GameStop. I am going to go get a drink real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Nick, I feel you on that. Ready for the GME saga to be over. You know, I'm kind of, I don't know. When I think about content for the videos I make, at the very least, GME provides good content. So I'll take that. Umberto, keeping my dips conservative, half shares only. I am in the same boat. I have been buying one share. Well, I bought 2 shares at 196 or something like that. And then I have an order for 1 share at 160. So just, yeah, taking it slowly. Let's see. Poodle going back up. I want to see the value of my Poodle in comparison to ETH. Only 2 ETH now. Yeah, ETH is doing well today. It does, but GME is no long-term wealth growth plan for me. Ready to be back to future planning. Yeah, that makes sense. Umberto, this is my riskiest play. Is Poodle. It's a very, very new cryptocurrency that I got in on. I was one of the first, like, maybe 4,500 owners of Poodle. And I think it's either 50-50 chance that it's going to 10x or crash. And if it 10x's, I could see it going up like 30x or something like that too, which would make me a very happy man. Not gonna lie. So it's a short-term play. Whitebit, you can buy it on Whitebit. That's pretty new. I'm the proud owner of more than 12 billion Poodle. 12.73 billion. Man. Let me just see something here. That means ETH is going up. Let's see. I don't know. All right. How do you find those opportunities? I'm on all day on news and can't find them. Crypto Twitter. And in particular, the comment sections on certain posts. But you've got to sort through because there's a lot of people just shilling their garbage. So I see comments on different cryptos that I've never heard of before, and I'll do some research on those and just kind of be like, oh, yeah, I like that one. Or no, that's absolute trash. So that's another video, where to buy these weird cryptos. Yeah, each one, I am now set up on, let me count. Unfortunately, Robinhood, that was my first entry into crypto, and I regret it. And even a little bit on Webull. So there's 2. Trust Wallet, BlockFi, Coinbase, MetaMask, and Celsius. I have all those. It's nice to be spread out, but where to buy these weird cryptos? Uniswap is going to be anything that's compatible with Uniswap. It's probably your best bet. So Yeah, Whitebit is where you can buy Poodle. I have it. What am I thinking now? You can't buy it unless you get on a VPN if you're in the United States, but in Portugal you can. So I think you can at least. I just know that in the United States you can't use Whitebit. Seems like the crypto market follows Bitcoin directly. Do you think that is 100% FOMO and trying to get in on cheaper crypto, or is it other things leading to the price of crypto moving as a unit? No, it's all Bitcoin, which is why that's probably the biggest reason why, like, this can't go on forever, because the other cryptos follow different rules. Bitcoin follows a 4-year cycle where, you know, their supply is cut in half every 4 years. And up until now, all these other cryptos have been benefiting, but that can't last forever. ETH does not have a cap yet. And so why should ETH be worth, you know, I don't know. Why should it be tied to Bitcoin? Why should it outperform Bitcoin? It shouldn't. But I mean, for now, for the short term, it's like it that's what's happening, and that's what's happening with all these other cryptos. But they have their own rules. Like Dogecoin is the most ridiculous. 10,000 new Doge a minute. It's like, why? Why would something like that track with Bitcoin? It doesn't make any sense to me. But yeah, people get sticker shock when they see the price of Bitcoin at $53,404, and they don't think to themselves, I could buy less than one Bitcoin. They think to themselves, Bitcoin is too expensive. I'm going to buy something else. Yeah, that's why I'm confused by the movement of crypto moving as a unit. It's not going to last forever. It's young enough that it's going to be affected now, but like, it's not going to last forever. Bitcoin will separate itself from these, and they'll have to follow their own rules and not ride on Bitcoin. Well, I guess my 160 order is not going to be filled. Boo-hoo. I'm not really all that sad about it. I found yesterday a Discord group with 80k members about pump and dump. I am not on any of these groups. I am sure that it's real. Are you talking about pump and dump for cryptos or just for anything? Yeah. Yeah, that's real. Let me look up some of the... So, Dogecoin. You want to see a pump and dump. There we go. Pump and dump. And I wouldn't be surprised if that Discord that you found, Alex, has that they talked about Dogecoin in there. What else? People are really shilling Safe Moon. I don't know much about it. Wait, Moon Coin? Is that the same as Safe Moon? I guess. Maybe not. Maybe it is. Moon Coin. Market cap of 3 million. Circulating supply of 227 billion. I don't think this is it. Anyway. Alright, our GME. Well, let me see Warden Elite if he's posted anything new. $11:45 a.m. Broader market. Finding a bottom, looking to reverse. That seems to be more of a reactionary comment than anything else. But whatever. Let's see. That was a waste of my time. Okay, let's see. Mega Pump Cryptocurrency Investment Group. I will be checking that out just to see what they're talking about. I'm about to make a BlockFi finally. Do I have a referral? Yes, Christopher. I'd appreciate it. I think in the description of this video, you can see a referral code there. So now's a great time to get in. Although you'll have to wait to transfer your money. I hope you don't miss out. It's a 2 to 3 day transfer. I think this weekend and next week are going to be big upward movement weeks. So, and let me just say this now that I think about it. If you have a way to get in now versus waiting the 3 to 5 business days that it'll take for your money to transfer to BlockFi, I would recommend doing it now. And then, you create your BlockFi account. You could transfer at any other time to BlockFi and get that interest on it. But that seems to be, to me, like you want to get in now because this price is going up. We are at a bottom. There's this guy on Twitter that I really like to follow. I'm going to have to go to my Bitcoin Twitter account, which I really only use to follow Bitcoin Twitter. World War Bitcoin. I don't post on this. I just retweet, basically. Retweet so that I have stuff for my video. Let's see, custom alert. Oh, heck yes, come on. Give me some custom alerts, Glassnode. This is the motherlode of all data that anyone uses for anything. I love this website, glassnode.com. All right, I'll have to do this later. All right, Matt Bitcoin. I like this guy. Let's see. Celsius, Ave, nope. Man, come on, show me your charts. Here we go. Can I zoom in? Open image and new tab. Oh, that is quite zoomed in. Can I zoom out? Yes, I can. All right. So last bull run, you know, trend lines and stuff. Graham, what's up? I have not eaten any burritos today. I'm sorry to say. So here is at least this person's high for this year for Bitcoin. Oh, man. Nope, other way. So let's say we shoot up just right away. Let's see, that's May. If we were to hit the peak in May, the peak of this channel, around 220,000. If we were to hit the peak in, what is that, December, January, you know, only 330,000 or so. There's somebody I followed. Umberto, much love to you. Again, it's a gamble. But, man, hey, we're in it together. There's somebody I follow who, he has been in crypto. DaVinci J15. His videos are some of the most boring videos that I've ever seen in my life. I can't ever finish one. But I've got so much respect for this guy because oh man, because he's been in Bitcoin since the very beginning. He made a video begging people when Bitcoin was under $1, just put $1 into Bitcoin. And nobody listened to him. And so the reason why I'm bringing this guy up, and before Bitcoin existed, he was really big into precious metals. And it's like, he's just my kind of guy. And he says Bitcoin's getting to $1 million this year, no doubt in my mind. No doubt in his mind. Take that for however you want to take that, take it, you know. All right. So I signed up for BlockFi and they require me to give my bank login to a third party in order to deposit money. WTF is with that. Um, Vidrock, do you not have a... I don't know what to say about that. I mean, that seems pretty standard for me. I mean, do you have other ways of doing it that don't require that? I mean, I guess with a credit card or something. I mean, that's pretty normal. Hey, all right, Graham. 0.001 Bitcoin. I mean, all of these platforms that I use, the low fee platforms at least, Trust Wallet does not require me to use to give my bank account, but their fees are so high. But Coinbase, I need to put my bank account. BlockFi, obviously I need to put my bank account there. I'm trying to think what else. What did I do for MetaMask? Oh, I transferred from Coinbase onto MetaMask. That's pretty normal. I don't know what the problem is. Sorry, EFT. Yeah, I don't know EFT. Nick G, do I like MetaMask better than Trust? I don't know, because I tried like putting money onto MetaMask, and I just couldn't do it. And so what I did was I bought on Coinbase and transferred to MetaMask. And so I don't mind the MetaMask platform. I haven't been able to use MetaMask for purchasing. Oat Milk, what is up? Got me some Algorand. Algorand to the moon. I was going to buy into Bitcoin when I had a 75K settlement from a car accident. I unfortunately let my friend convince me from my belief it would explode, that it was a joke and I would only lose. Ouch. All right, Christopher, tell me, when was this? Oh, that hurts. I follow some NASA. I didn't know he was a NASA guy. Benjamin Cohen. I think he's reliable. The downside is he's boring as well and never talks about new coins. Benjamin Cohen is... I really like Benjamin Cohen. I actually... with Benjamin Cohen... The video that I made titled My $1 Million Altcoin Strategy, I used Benjamin Cohen as a reference point for like, all right, I think this particular coin will go 10x this year. What do you think, Benjamin Cohen? And so I went to his videos to see what he thought, and it was helpful. I like the way he thinks. I like how he uses the market cap of a particular coin as a measure as to how high he thinks it will go. And he is more on the bearish end of things, while also saying things are going to like 5x or 7x or something. Christopher, turning that around today and buying in, it's never too late to make something off Bitcoin. Yes, sir. Haha, man, I saw. Glad to see you on board. Right now, I'm riding the CKB wave. All right, now you're gonna have me look up another crypto, huh? 80 algo here. We'll see where it goes. Yes, sir. CKB. Nervos. Sorry, I got distracted by an email. 1 second. Like and subscribe. Let's see. Here are my plays for this year. Geek, CKB, PPAY. Do what you will with this video. I can break each one down for you. And Algo long term. Oh, Nick G. Oh man, I missed a lot of comments here. All right, I'm all in on Safe Moon as well. All right. I'll check the. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Oat milk. Oh gosh, and just get back to this stuff. So much stuff to research. So little time. All right, Vidrock. Anyway, I don't know. I guess I'll look onto other coin platforms that have more secure deposit methods than giving them my bank login. Oh, no worries. Do what you feel is safe. I have a long history of giving companies, third-party companies, my bank login. Never had any issues with it, and I've been comforted by disclaimers and stuff that I've read. So. Strongest potential being PPay and Geek. CKB algo is a bit more long term. All right. 550. It was 5 years ago, I think. Ouch. Man. So Bitcoin has 100x'd since then. So if you put all of your $75,000 into Bitcoin, you would have $7.5 million right now. I mean, you wouldn't, because I'm sure you would have sold some of it at least and bought like a Dodge Stratus or something like that. But yeah, it still hurts to think. I'm bearish on the stock market right now. Yeah, me too. Graham, okay. I just, you know, sarcasm. I'll always take some sarcasm. That sounds fine. Let's see volume for today for GameStop. Let's see. That is old news. I know, Graham. Volume has slowed down a little bit. 25 million. I wouldn't be surprised if it just stayed slow the rest of the day. I mean, unless there's some kind of major kick here. Ooh, Bitcoin futures expired 4 minutes ago. Good to know. I mean, there usually is a delay. Some kind of a delay with Bitcoin futures, and you know, it might be a couple days or something before that price jump kicks in. But we'll see. Where was that tweet? Man, I do love crypto Twitter. I can totally relate to this. Being heavily invested in Bitcoin is the only thing that keeps me from getting too upset that central banks keep printing money like it was some sort of competition who can print the most. I'll say this, the lack of it got me to meet the people I have along my journey since then, and I wouldn't trade those people for all the money in the world. Good outlook. I stopped investing in stock after the cannabis boom. I'll be waiting for things to calm down. Oh yeah, that cannabis boom. That was a fun day and a half. General Motors is accepting Bitcoin. Well, I'm not paying Bitcoin. All right. Ooh, Carlos Trades. Let's see what Carlos Trades has to say. GME found support as predicted. Now, much like AMC, let's hope people keep buying and not selling like they have been doing. ETFs are currently being used to drive down the prices today. So don't think the sell-off is because people gave up on AMC. Follow for more. Yeah, no, I don't think many people do think that. All right, March for the stocks has been awful. I'm down about 2K GBP altogether, waiting for the major correction. I don't believe the 10% correction we saw in tech is enough to make me bullish again. I absolutely agree with that. There was a time when I looked at all my options and I saw nothing but green. That's probably in January or so, and now I'm seeing nothing but red. I'm not playing options right now, which kind of stinks. Because it's been lucrative for me, but man, taking a look at some options by the way right now. All right, still too expensive for my likes, but whatever. Nature is calling. I'll be right back. Yikes. All right. Anyone catch the Lex Fridman podcast? Talking to Silvio Macaulay about Algo. I'll check that out. Great podcast. Silvio is a genuine genius. Algo is literally the comfiest coin I hold. Only project to solve the blockchain trimella. Convinced me. All right. And Algo, not that this matters at all to me. Honestly, it doesn't matter at all. I know they've been trading sideways for a while. But really, lots of things have been trading sideways. ETH has been trading sideways. I don't see Algo on here. I'll look up the Algo price. But I mean, I'm in it for the long haul. Everything that you said, oat milk, like yeah, I'm totally down for that. So let's see. I know what did they top out at? I'll go back to February 1st or something. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. 176 or so. Now at 109, 110. Great re-entry point. No doubt. I still have some stimulus money to put into this. Alright, Carlos trades. What else did you say here? Talking about AMC a lot. Let's see. Today we should try to close above 185. 185 also holds a huge support wall, so as it dips, it should find it a bit hard to move past that. It wasn't all that hard, but that's okay. Sell-offs are happening because it's Friday. Keep holding GME. Good to know. Pro low. What is up? P-Pay. All right, where oat milk do you have? Where can you get that? Where can you get P-Pay? Yep, volume has slowed down, but it's all good. Oh, shoot. I did a little bit check out Omi. Not enough to give thoughts. I forgot about it. Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, Alex. It took me a second. I'm down with this one. I think that'll be a good one. I forgot about the connection with VV or however you pronounce that. So lots of potential with NFTs. I might actually The frustrating thing about crypto right now is like there's so many things that it's like, do I want to only 5x, or am I willing, or like, do I want a 10x or 20x or more than that? You know. Ay. Okay, come on, Uniswap. Just going to see what I can do. I'm not actually going to do it right now. Alright, so it's supposed to be on Uniswap PM 24, but now it's 31. As in, like, the 31st. I want to see if PPay is on here. It is... I'm not going to do this because I'm sure I just want to see what happens here. Oh, give me a second. 0.0001 ETH, 1.4. That is a very low fee. ETH is at like 1650 right now. Alright, yeah, 31st of March. Okay. $0.24. It's only going to cost me 24 cents to convert ETH to PPay. That just doesn't seem right. You know, it's been costing like $60. All right, giveaway gaming. Good to see you. I did not expect to be below 200 today. Well, you know why it's below 200 today, because I said that we're going to have an up day. And you told me not to say that it was going up, but I didn't listen to you. I mean, it is up right now, but still. It's been strong and a lot of buy pressure. Not sure if it was profit taking or shorting at 220 to drive it down hard. There was definitely some shorting, by the way. Yeah, there was definitely some shorting. So I've been here since what, 10 or so? No, 10:30. All right, Christopher, is there a Papa Burrito playlist? Yes, let me give you my playlist. Here you go. Lo-fi chilled beats, 12 hours of DCMA free and copyright free music for Twitch streamers. 12 hours. That's my playlist. Most interesting thing about Plasma is going to be their system called Hyperloop. Eliminates gas fees completely. What's that? Here's the praise or the whatever. You know, that emoji. Here we go. I've got to type that in. All right. Gas fees drive me crazy. It's like, how dare you? Man, but seriously? All right, it seems too good to be true. I'm just going to get some right now. Do like 0.02 ETH. 0.02, 0.01. That's like 50. Nah. I want to. Yeah, it's not that much. I want to put more into it, but for now, why not? That's crazy. Really? 0.006? 0.00006 ETH. Let's do it. Oh, wait a second. Never mind. Here we go. Gas fee $81.11. Never mind. Marketing's amazing. The moon is going to happen soon. I'll look into another way of getting this, not on Uniswap. Stupid ETH gas fees, man. I can't stand ETH gas fees. It's like, how dare you? I know it's the miners, but still, it's so obnoxious. Bitcoin, ETH, both are rising. Those options markets, those options closed. And here we go. Let's go. I'm going to hop off just because the volume is at a trickle now. I'm going to hop off at like 12:30 Eastern time, which is 7 minutes from now. I just don't expect much the rest of the day. If anything crazy happens, I'll hop back on. But CKB might be a nicer play. Listen on Binance, no gas fees, dirt cheap. Okay. So I could convert some Binance to CKB. I'm going to check that out on Trust Wallet right now. And actually, I'll check out, see if for any reason any of these other ones aren't Binance. No, PPay isn't. Omi. No. Alright, CKB. Can't get it on Trust Wallet. Road to 1 million. That's right. Yeah, giveaway gaming. You're absolutely right on that. For $26.5 million shares traded, I was expecting more than a plus 2.7% day. But here's the thing. So, I mean, we had huge volume in the beginning. And, of course, look, we got up to 210. 210 a share. And then, you know, I mean, then we definitely saw short attacks. So that's why it's at one, and now volume is just like really slow. So of course it's trading flat. All right, let's see any updates from Warden Elite. Apes flooding the option source servers. I don't know what that is. Let's wait for later in the day for something to happen. Volume low again. So volume as of right now is low. It shot up to 20 very quickly. 20 million. Volume reaching 20 million. When was that? 11:20 a.m. So last hour, it's been slow. Get in whatever crypto you have. Get in now. I'm warning you. Or whatever crypto you want to buy. You get in now. Trust me, next week at this time, 12:26 p.m. Eastern time. Compared to now, lots and lots and lots of green. And that's not financial advice, by the way. What is your take on the Suez Canal ship? You know, I did see some stuff about that. I saw an article on Yahoo Finance. I just this is a new thing. What do I make of the Suez Canal ship? Maybe I'll just Google it. That'll probably be the last thing I do today on the live stream. Alright, never mind. No Suez Canal ship here. That's amazing. I would assume that has some effect, but really, is it going to affect things all that much? Maritime traffic is suggesting they're going around Africa instead, adding a week to journeys for cargo. My goodness. Whoa, look at that CNBC article. I'm not going to click on it. Not going to give them my click. Delaying an estimated 400 million an hour in goods. Whew. 400 million an hour. I mean, I know that's a lot. I don't know. I don't think it's going to play a huge effect. I mean, how long is it going to take for them to unblock it? I mean, you're saying that the U.S. Navy is arriving Saturday at the latest. Really? Okay, if they can't clear it by next week, the market will defo start reacting. That's amazing to me that one thing like that would have such a ripple effect. I do want to click on this. I hope it's not a video. Actually, I think it is a video. It will be freed over the weekend. Yeah, I just long term, I just don't think it's going to have that much of an effect. Short term, sure. %12 of the world's trade goes through the Suez. Not surprised at all. Yeah. Here's the last thing I'm going to do. I have, or maybe Google Earth. Where's satellite view? I remember one time looking at the Suez Canal and it was fascinating to me seeing all the ships that were just all over there. Oh, Nick, I see that. Yeah, it took me a second, but that's pretty funny. Oh man, I have too many programs running. Here we go. Come on, let me zoom. I'm looking for ships. What is that? I know this isn't live. I'm just, it was always, I've been curious seeing the ships here. There's a ship. Let me zoom out real quick. Some ships. I don't know, this might not be interesting to any of you, but man, my computer's a little too hot. Oh well. Alright, it's about time. Alright, well, never mind. Yep, there's the canal. I think people underestimate how difficult it's going to be to move 220,000 tons of steel. Maybe for you. For me, not so much. I'm kidding. Alright, yeah, so there's some ships. I thought that was cool. Oh wait, yeah, there is a ship there, but another ship on Google Earth. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. More ships. Printed 191, but really want to see a 200 test later today. But it's Friday. I have 600 shares. Very nice. $60 a pop. Not worried, just bored at work. I'm pretty bored right now. That's why I'm looking at ships at the Suez Canal. But it is time for me to go. I am going to a wedding later today, so if I do get on later, it'll be short. But otherwise, keep on keeping on. Have a great weekend. Buy that crypto now or you'll regret it. This is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Tugboats better eat their Wheaties. All right. Have a good one.